Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Georgia for those of you who are new, and to my regular subscribers, welcome back. To my regular subscribers, you always hear me talk about the dog in the background. That's my neighbor's dog. If you hear barking, that's my neighbor's dog. He's outside. And there's also people delivering furniture next door, and they're having a whole full conversation. So if you hear them in the background, that's what is going on. But don't pay attention to that. Pay attention to what I am teaching you right now. In my last video, having to do with a website that I use to help find items to promote Clickbank products, I also told you that I'm going to show you again the website that I use to purchase my my pre-made niche Clickbank websites. So this is your Clickbank screen. This is where you would go into the marketplace and see items that need to be promoted. I also told you about another website to use, but then I'm also told you that there's a site that I use to purchase my sites to promote items, because I don't go in and build websites around the items that you see that I promote. It's going to take too much time. I don't know how to do it, so I find somebody that's an expert and I purchase my websites from that particular site. I pay one fee, which is I believe $39, and I have access to over 100 different websites having to do with different niches that are promoted on Clickbank, and mostly all of them are all evergreen niches having to do with health, wealth, job, self-help, and relationships. So I'm going to take you into the back end of the site that I use, which is called CB Pro Ads. So I'm going to let's take a look at it. So this is the front page, the home page of CB Pro Ads. You've heard me talk about these on my previous videos. If you're a subscriber, and if you're not, you need to stop this video and go subscribe to my channel, because I do share a lot of information having to do with Clickbank and starting your own business and Shopify and all that. So please subscribe to the channel. So this is the front page of CB Pro Ads, and if you scroll down, you have a little video here where the guy is introducing you to the website, and then it just gives you an overview of what the site is about. So it's up to you. Want to read these and go in. It gives you a snapshot of somebody's account who's making a lot of money on Clickbank. And if you scroll down some more, it also tells you what this ad is more about, and then it gives you some examples of what the websites look like that you'll be purchasing. Okay, then that's what that is on the front page. Now I'm going to log in and we're going to explore the inside of this website. Okay, you could also be an affiliate marketer for this website, which I am. I do get a small fee if anyone signs up to this website through my link, and I would appreciate it if you do, which I will be leaving the link below this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and log in now. Okay, so I've gone in and logged in. Hopefully I'll be able to cover up my my account number and information, which is I don't want to show that, but I do want you to see what the back end is like. So if you come over here to the left, it has the profile settings. Of course, that's gonna be your information right there. You have the affiliate main storefront. Let's click on it and open it. And right now we're doing version 5, so it doesn't even make sense to look at all the other versions. We're doing version 5, and what this is, it gives you a whole let me click on it so you can see. version 5 basically gives you, all right, let's view the demo. So this is what your digital this is what your digital storefront would look like if you have version 5. So it has basically everything in the Clickbank marketplace. What you would do is promote this link, and then anything having to do with anything Clickbank would be over here. But there are, you know, some people would want to promote it like this, but there are others who want to promote using the niche website, because that's very broad. So others would want to come over and promote using the niche website, which is where we're gonna get to eventually. So the next item on this niche website, it has the affiliate niche storefront. Let's scroll down and see. Again, it has version 5, and let's open up niche storefront and see what we get into over here. Okay, so in niche storefront URLs, what is this? These are already websites that are made around a Clickbank product. So what you would do in a case like this is you could either promote this entire link right here, which has your affiliate link on it also, or you could buy a website from GoDaddy or whoever else you buy your website, your domain name from, and then link this domain to that website, to link this link to that website, and then promote that domain. I hope it made sense. You would purchase a domain name. Let me repeat it. You would purchase a domain name from GoDaddy or wherever else you purchase your domain from, and then you would link this link to that domain so that it will look a little bit more clean, because this look a little bit choppy, and then you would promote using that domain name. So if you want to give somebody an idea of how to work the Forex market, you buy a website like forexplans.com or whatever, link this website to that, and then when you do go in the forums or give the website information, you would, instead of telling them go to top free site Forex whatever, you would give them forexheadsup.com. Okay, I hope that made sense. All right, so these are some of the pre-made sites. This is just a handful. There are so many more. Okay, we're gonna continue looking. Now we're gonna go into WordPress plugin, go into main storefront, and in WordPress plugin you have all this that you could plug into your WordPress site. If you already know how to use the WordPress, you have the Clickbank storefronts. You would plug this in, and it will bring up, you do certain configurations, which this page tells you how to go about doing it, and then you have these within your WordPress website. So that's another way of promoting CB Pro Ads products, all these Clickbank niche websites. Again, you have the link. Now you have the WordPress plugin, and that's for like a main store. Now if you have a website having to do with woodworking or something like that, there's also a niche storefront that you have the WordPress plugin for. And following these instructions that are given to you, you could go in and plug in that information into your WordPress website and also have that available to you. Okay, well, this is what the pages look, step-by-step instructions. And now this is where we have all those websites that I told you. I created a two-part video showing you how to download these sites from here and how to upload them to the internet. I'm going to link them in the cards above for you to follow. It's a detailed 2-part video which is going to take you quite a while to watch, and stop and go and do it. So it's not something that you're going to do in a rush. You have to be committed to take some time, which is going to be a few hours or even a day, something you may have to leave and come back to learn how to upload these websites to the internet. Yes, CB Pro ads have the instructions of how to do it, but I have a more detailed step by step. So I'm going to leave them in the cards above for you to do. So let's look at, see all these, how many websites they have available. Look, I'm counting 110 websites. Believe that? All of these websites available for you to promote Clickbank products. All these websites. Remember I told you in the last video I was looking for a website having to do with Forex. Here's one. I believe I have number 33, which is Forex. This is new. Forex version 2.0. I'm gonna have to download this and use this one. I think I have uploaded at least 80 of these websites already, because on my one domain name from GoDaddy, which is Clickbank Queen, you are allowed to add up to 100 subdomains, in case you didn't know that. So you could buy one general domain name and upload 100 subdomain names also. Make sure it's a good one that's gonna cover mostly everything. Like for instance, I got lucky where mine is clickbankqueen.com. So when you hear that, you think Clickbank products, and therefore all of these websites that are underneath are all Clickbank websites. I have the dog training, Facebook marketing. I didn't do handbag. I did healthy drinks. Home-based business I haven't done. So I need to come back in here and go rewatch my videos, because I have forgotten how to do it, and upload some more of these videos. MLM marketing. That's a good one. Mobile marketing. Okay, motorcycle restoration. See, these are all play violin, pregnancy, registry repair, public records, reverse phone lookup. I know you've seen those commercials in television telling you how to find people. SEO, having to do with marketing. So these are all of the websites available to you, plus the ones on the front page that I showed you guys. So 110 and another 15 or 20 over there. All these are available. There must be something in here that's gonna catch your eye. You don't have to do them all. You could have just one niche that you want to focus on, and there's a website in here that's gonna help you. How you would market these websites, you would use Instagram. You could create an Instagram page around an item, put pictures up, and link back to one of these websites. You could market on Facebook. Like I told you in the last video, open up a Facebook page. You have so many different pages that you could create in Facebook for free. Put up articles, put up pictures, copy articles from these websites, put it there, and link back to the website. You could do Pinterest, pin it to Pinterest, and send it back to here, and then let the website do the selling for you. They'll get to the Clickbank merchandise. Twitter, tweet about it. There's some, nowadays it's all about social media. So these sites are already made for you. All you have to do is get them up on the internet and promote, and watch your commissions come in. Okay? We're not finished looking at the left side, so we go to ad generator now. This is another way to promote. Again, if you have a place that you want to promote, we have all these. We have link unit ad, contextual ads. If you do CPC, then you know what I'm talking about where it says content. If you do max bounty, you've seen this word before on max bounty. Okay, let's see a little bit of what it's about. Okay, and it gives you step by step of how to use it. When you have your categories here, you scroll down And I believe after you choose your category, you click a button and it creates a link for you. Copy that link and you paste it. Yup. Create your what you win, and you could put it on your blog. So you don't have to just merchandise. You don't have to just market using their website. If you have a blog that you just want to get 1 or 2 items from here to use, you can. So you have contextual ad, widget ads, image block, sliding box show ads, slideshow, banner ads, all those. Okay. Next thing on this, there are a ton of different things to actually promote. Pro account status, pro account benefits, pro account. Okay, I'm not going to touch that because I do believe I have. And then you have the affiliate program, and this basically shows you all your links that you could copy to use for your affiliate. And then we have promotional tools again for affiliates. So these last 3 tabs, basically 3 tabs I should say, basically focus on the affiliate program and your promotional tools and reports of how you've been doing having to do with that. But your main one that you want to focus on would be your WordPress plugin, and it would be your niche storefront. So when you do sign up, come over here to WordPress plugin, click on niche storefront, slide down, choose which or how many you want to promote. You could follow the instructions above of how to actually upload to the internet, or you could watch my video, which I am going to put in the cards and also link in the description of how to put these ads up on the how to put these sites up on the internet. And I also have additional videos showing you how, when, and where to promote. So I have a lot of information on my YouTube channel. You need to subscribe and watch all my videos because they are all very helpful. So this is the back end of how CB Pro ads look. So I hope this has been helpful to you. I hope you have taken an interest. Go ahead out there and promote all these Clickbank sites. Use Clickbank and make some money. I know everyone could use a little bit more money in their pocket. You're looking for something to do from home. You're not out there 16 hours out of the 24 hours in your day trying to get extra money. Sit in front of your computer, learn how to do something new. Go ahead and promote these Clickbank websites. Okay, again guys, I thank you for watching. Remember, like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment if you wish, and share the video. Okay, thank you for watching, and until next time, I will see you on the next video. Take care.